Hey, I'm Jeff, RPM LoneStar's virtual business development manager. Managing a rental property was never supposed to be your full-time job. But somehow it's taken over your nights, weekends, and peace of mind. Midnight maintenance calls and chasing late rent payments disrupt your life. Many landlords find themselves managing instead of growing their investments. When you work with Real Property Management LoneStar, you don't just hand over the keys, you gain a trusted local partner. Our team takes care of everything: marketing your property, screening residents, managing maintenance, and keeping you compliant with Texas rental laws. You get transparency, expert guidance, and more time to focus on growing your portfolio, not chasing residents or late payments. At RPM LoneStar, we step in so you can step back. Our local expertise turns your rental into a hands-off investment that grows over time. From screening quality residents to managing maintenance and renewals, we handle it all so you can focus on what matters most. At RPM LoneStar, we don't just manage your properties, we help you build long-term wealth. Our proactive approach protects your investment, keeps residents happy, and reduces costly turnover. With expert guidance and transparent communication, you can finally enjoy the rewards of ownership without the daily stress. Whether you're managing one rental or looking to grow to 5 or more, our systems are built to help you scale. And when you're ready, we can go even further. Our Wealth Optimizer portfolio reports help you analyze your holdings, identify opportunities, and make smart investment decisions. So does our Blanket Investment tool, giving you even more resources to perform your financial analysis. Hands-off ownership isn't just possible, it's how our clients grow with confidence. At RPM LoneStar, we're not just here to collect rent or fix leaky faucets. We're here to help you grow by protecting your time, your property, and your long-term goals as an investor. Whether you own one rental or an entire portfolio, we're the partner behind your peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you build something bigger together.